Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Painting Hyun. Today we are going to be painting some beautiful poppies together. It's a simple and relaxed painting. So take your time and enjoy the process with me. Let's start with a light sketch. First, gently draw the basic shape of the flowers. Keep your lines soft and loose. There's no need to be perfect. We just need a simple guide for painting. Try not to press too hard with your pencil. Light lines are easier to adjust later. Use the erase for your wrong lines. Today, I will draw 3 large flowers, 1 small bud, and a few leaves. Take your time here, no rush. Now let's begin painting. Start with a very light yellow wash for the first flower. Keep it soft, keep it transparent. Don't worry about details yet. We are just placing the base color. Take your time, just enjoy this step. Now let's build up the color. Add a slightly stronger yellow. While the paper is still wet, drop in a deeper tone. Let the colors blend naturally. Please don't overwork it. Just gently guide the paint. You can tilt your paper slightly if you need it and let the colors flow. Now switch to a smaller brush. Add the fine details slowly. This time you used very little water, not much water. There's already too much water. Keep your strokes light and controlled. We don't need too many details, just enough to suggest the shapes. Now let's move on to the second flower. This time I will use orange tone. First I use a light orange, just only light orange. Start with a very light orange wash, then slowly build up the color. Add darker tone near the center. Also add along the edges. Take a little deeper, stronger color that I mixed orange and a bit of burnt sienna. Now I'm adding a middle tone of the orange on the center and blend it gently. You don't need to rush, just enjoy the process of the painting. Now I'm adding orange, red, and permanent magenta, permanent alizarin crimson. Okay, we are going to move on to the third flower. Now let's add a soft blue tone. Start light blue wash, then build up a mid-tone of blue. Now I'm using ultramarine deep and the marine blue, phthalo blue. So you can use any type of the blue. Phthalo blue, marine blue, cobalt blue, or ultramarine deep, or phthalo turquoise, any colors you can use it. Keep it balanced with the other flower. The process is the same for each flower. Start with a light wash, then slowly build up the color from mid-tone to darkest tone, and finally add a few details. Okay, I already paint the buzz a bit. For the buzz, use yellow and orange together. Now I'm adding some darkest blue. I mix orange and a bit of yellow for the bud. I'm trying to on the center. Then now for stems, use warm colors first, a little red, yellow, and orange. Then later, we are adding green on top. Okay, this creates a nature more warm look. Now let's add some leaves. Use a light green first and then add a darker green freely. Paint them here and there in a loose and natural way. Okay? Keep the shapes simple. Don't overthink it. Let your hand move freely. For the background, start with a soft light green wash. Then gently add a medium tone to suggest loose, natural leaf shapes. Don't worry about painting them exactly. Keep everything soft and simple and lose some stroke. Look at this. So beautiful. I like it. Let's add some splatters. Use red, orange, and a little blue. Just a few drops to bring energy to the painting. Feel free to do it your own way. Then add a few final details in areas that feel a bit empty. I really love this splattering. Try to some detail. Just a few touches, that's enough. Don't too much work. Just a few touches here and there. Wow, look at this. Looks so beautiful. I love it. Now our painting is finished. I hope this painting brought you happiness and joy. Thank you for painting with me today. See you in the next video. Bye.